Welcome to the Explainer. Sometimes it's the little things, the tiny everyday annoyances that can really add up. Today, we're going to talk about one of those, managing your PC's power. We're going to look at a free tool that promises to automate this whole process for good. So let's get into it.
Okay, let's be honest. How many of us have been in this exact situation? You kick off a huge download or maybe a long video render, and you tell yourself, oh yeah, I'll shut it down when it's done. But life happens. You get busy, you walk away, and you completely forget about it.
And this isn't just some one-off mistake. It's a small, recurring problem that quietly wastes power and just adds a little bit of friction to your day. It's the kind of thing you really shouldn't have to waste brain power on. Yeah, whether you're downloading massive files, rendering a video, or you just flat out forget to shut down your work PC, we've all been there. And these are exactly the kinds of repetitive, simple tasks that are just perfect for an automated fix. So, what's the fix? Well, that's where something called Wise Auto Shutdown comes in. It's a simple and free utility that's designed to do one thing and do it really, really well. Take over the job of powering down your PC so you don't have to. So what is it exactly? At its heart, it's a completely free utility for Windows that lets you schedule all those power down tasks. Its real strength is just how simple and reliable it is. Really, the whole idea here is just to take one more thing off your mental to-do list. You can set up a task, walk away from your computer, and just trust that it's going to get handled for you. Okay, so how does this thing actually work? Well, the beauty of it is in its simplicity. Seriously, it's so straightforward, which is a huge part of its appeal. Let's break it down. The whole interface basically just asks you two questions. First, what do you want the computer to do? And second, when do you want it to do it? That's it. It's that simple.
And you actually get a decent amount of control here. It's not just about a full shutdown. You could schedule a restart, maybe for those pesky Windows updates, right? Or you could log off your account for security, or just have it lock the screen at the end of your workday.
All right, so once you've picked your what, you've got to pick your when. And this is where the tool gets really, really flexible. You can pretty much set this up for any situation you can dream up. Need to shut down at exactly 11 p.m. next Tuesday? Done. Just want it to shut down in, say, 2 hours from now. Easy. You can even set up a daily recurring task or, and this is pretty cool, have it shut down only after your computer's been idle for a while. So we've seen what it does and how it does it. Let's just quickly run through why this is such a handy little utility to have in your toolbox. You can tell what they were going for here. Just be helpful and stay out of the way. It's totally free, it's super easy to use, and it just hums along quietly in the background. You can even set it to start up with Windows, making it a true set it and forget it kind of solution. But wait, there's one more feature I have to mention. And honestly, it's a really smart one. It's kind of a built-in safety net. The last thing you want is your computer suddenly shutting down in the middle of your work, right? Well, this program will never do that. 5 minutes before it's scheduled to do anything, a notification pops up, giving you a little heads up. And this little warning is your get-out-of-jail-free card. It gives you the final say. You can just let it go ahead, you can hit snooze for a few more minutes, or you can just cancel the whole thing if you're in the middle of something important. No lost work. It's a great feature. And really, that's what it all comes down to. This isn't some crazy, life-changing piece of software. It's just a simple, practical tool designed to automate one of those small, annoying tasks to make your digital life just a little bit less stressful. So as we wrap this up, just think about your own routine for a second. Is there a little task you could automate? Whether it's for those late-night downloads or just making sure your work PC actually gets turned off, how could a tiny bit of automation like this make your day just a little bit smoother?